How to create Uber Eats account. So to create Uber Eats account, first open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser. And now in the search bar, search for Uber Eats. And on the first search, you will have www.ubereats.com. Click on that. And then it will directly take you to the web page. And now to create an account, on the upper right corner you will have sign up option. Click on sign up, and here you have to enter your phone number or email, or you can also continue with your Google account, or you can continue with your Apple, or you can also continue with your Facebook account. For now I'll be entering email, and after entering your email address, click on continue. And now you will receive a 4-digit code to your email which you have just entered. Enter that code here. And after entering, you have to enter your mobile number. And after entering your mobile number, click on next. And now you have to enter your first and last name. And after entering your name, click on next. And you have to agree to the terms and services, and then again click on next. And that's it, you have created your account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.